כשמחליטים להשקיע בנדל"ן בחו"ל עולות אפשרויות רבות, והשוק האמריקאי הוא ודאי שוק אטרקטיבי. כדי להבין קצת יותר על המתרחש בנדל"ן האמריקאי, אנחנו מארחים את מייקל פרוכטמן, מנהל השקעות ראשי ב-Real Estate Capital Partners. Hello, Michael.
Hello.
What can you tell us about the outlook of the U.S. economy and its impact on real estate?
Now that Congress has finally settled with the White House, you have more clarity in the economy. I think the expectation is for 2 to 3% GDP growth, maybe a little bit better over the coming years. And for real estate, that's very positive. We've had strong and improving fundamentals in each of the asset classes. Vacancies are falling, rents are beginning to rise or rising depending on the asset class, and I think it all looks good.
So what is going on currently with interest rates and how it affects the commercial real estate prices?
Interest rates hit an all-time low in the U.S. Interest rates hit an all-time low in the middle of last year. They've been on a steady incline since then, a little up, a little down, but a steady incline. We don't see that stopping. I don't think it's going to run very high, but it is rising right now. The impact on real estate is that as investment yields increase, so do real estate investment yields need to increase. So I think that the real estate investment yields will increase some over time.
Can you tell us a bit about Real Estate Capital Partners?
Sure. Real Estate Capital Partners is a real estate-only investment advisor. We specialize in bringing inbound capital to the United States. We've been around since late 1989. That's 24 years. I've been with the company 20 years, and our senior management an average of about 18 years. We look at two different things. We're bringing this capital and putting it into opportunistic transactions, higher yielding, as well as core transactions that are less risky. We are fortunate to have a strategic alliance with Profimex here in Israel to be able to bring these products to the Israeli investors.
And what sector is Real Estate Capital Partners focused on?
We look at all the sectors, but our biggest emphasis has been on the multifamily sectors. It's the most predictable. It's been the best performing sector over 5, 10, 20-year time periods. It's got the best capitalization in terms of financing available to it. So that's first. We're also looking at office properties. That would be right behind that, with industrial and retail properties below that.
And what are the preferred locations?
Anywhere where there's job growth and employment growth and population growth. That can be anywhere in the United States, but today I think that we're looking on the West Coast, the East Coast, and through the southern part of the country.
So any last words of advice for the Israeli investors?
The Israeli investor coming into the United States, I think they should be looking for the right people who are invested with them. They should be looking for people who have their own money at stake, like I just said, and people with track records to show for it.
Thank you very much, Michael.
Thank you.